2022 Lamborghini Hurricane STO Coupe, or Huracan. I know it's Huracan, it's Hurricane. They just spelled it wrong. Huracan, 41 miles with a V10, with kind of like a Gulf colors for the Gulf livery to kind of trick you a little bit, but it's a pretty car. But if you're gonna get this, get a Ford. Get the Ford, the real one. All right. 1967 Ferrari 275 GTB 4, serial number 10583, Platinum Award winner. I think we saw this car down at Naples when they have Ferraris on the Gulf a couple years ago, but I could be wrong. If you really like the Ferraris and the supercars, check out our Ferraris on 5th down in Naples video. You will see every type of supercar that you would ever imagine. All right, guys, we're gonna get back into some muscle cars here. So appreciate you watching this. Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. Hey guys, we are here at Mecum Auctions. It's January 2025. We're in Kissimmee, and check out a checker cab. Yep, real checker cab. If you've never seen one up close, if you're looking to make one, but real checker cab. 1970 Checker A12 sedan. So in 1970, New York, Los Angeles, or somewhere else, you would have this. It's got 2 jump seats in it. The Checker Special. Look at the price, $1.15 first eighth of a mile, 15 cents each additional. It's got air conditioner and a taxi meter in it. Here's another service vehicle. Here's an S197 Celine police car. Celine 2007 Ford Mustang Celine S281 police vehicle. Pretty cool. All right, we're gonna walk around and see what else we got here. Oh, we have Pontiac Catalina station wagon with only 5,600 actual miles.
Canada's like red no more. Or Camaro.
1960 Pontiac Catalina wagon. This is what, a 65 or 64? 66 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. 66. Little pumper, 40 Dodge pickup, hot rod fire truck. Chevy Impala was a 64. 64 Chevy Impala 4-door. And a bunch of newer Camaros. 2018 ZL1 at 1LE Chevy Camaro. This is the Hendrick, I believe This is the Hendrick car from Leman. I want to say this is the Hendrick Leman race car edition. Let's see. 2024 Chevy Camaro ZL1 Garage 56 edition. Yep. So this is the 56 edition. I believe this is the street version, obviously, of the car that Hendrick's Motorsports took to the Le Mans, and they raced it there, NASCAR to Le Mans. And they made several special editions to be sold at dealerships. I think at his dealership. Anyway, it's the garage edition. So very cool. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Alright guys, this is, all kidding aside, this is a 68 Pontiac right-hand drive. One of only 93 right-hand drive Pontiac Firebirds produced. Now we have a couple goats. So GTOs. 67 Pontiac GTO. It's like a metallic light green. Pretty car. 4-speed. It's a beautiful car. Hard top, black interior, 4-speed. There we go. Here's another GTO. 68 Pontiac GTO convertible. This is a light blue, white interior, next to a goldish green with a black interior. That's a 4-speed. That's an automatic. That's a 68 GTO Ram Air 2. So beautiful cars, both of them. '69 Pontiac GTO convertible Ram Air. A darker blue with a blue interior, white top. Very nice. Automatic. Again, Ram Air. Alright guys, that is what we have found so far at the Mecum Auto Auction. Check out all our videos, all of them. So, and subscribe if you like this stuff, because we go to this kind of places all the time. We really do. All right. So, Mecum, Kissimmee, 2025. Enjoy. We put up a whole bunch of stuff for you guys. Check out all the videos on our channel, Junkyard and Barn Finds. Here we go, guys. This is a 63 Ferrari 400 Super America Coupe. One of only 22 long wheelbase cars produced. Look at this. Beautiful cars. The styling, you don't even see styling like that anymore. So, very cool. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.